Hi guys, welcome to Coffee with GPA. I thought for today's short video I'd take you on a tour around the brand new Coffee with GPA studios here in Llanvaches, South Wales. We're finally in a place now that's big enough to actually allow us to have our own studio. And by our, I say me, and by our own studios I mean my own studio. So I've now got a dedicated floor all with my coffee stuff in it. Now it does actually require a bit more work, it's not completely finished yet, but I do feel pretty proud of the small space that I now get to call home. So I thought it'd be a great opportunity to show you around so you can see how all of the videos are made. So let's enter the room that we now call home. So this is the top floor of the place that we now live in. The great thing about being in a barn is that the walls are fantastically solid, but it also means we have plenty of space. And this is my studio. So this is the all familiar cabinet that we actually use as the bar for all of the videos. There will be some sort of background in that, physical background, but at the moment it's quite handy because we have all of this space that we can use that will allow us to move the bar around, set up different backdrops, and we can still move the product photography table, some of the different backdrops, and the lighting. Now the cool thing about this as well is that the window that we have at the top, not only does it have an absolutely spectacular view, but it does also have blackout blinds, which means when we are recording, we can control the lighting completely. And then we have just a further few backgrounds down the back. As you may know, I do a few videos for coffeeitalia.co.uk, so it's a great opportunity to have some designated controlled space to make all of these videos too. So currently my little desk setup is based around a Chepstow E5P. My most prized possession, my niche zero grinder with my Skate Reclaim Create recycled skateboard top base, and my current favourite coffee machine, the Llanvaches EN lever press. So all in all, it's just a really nice little place to call home. I've got plenty of space around the back for lots of different coffee makers, bags of coffee, and I actually have 2 bags under there with more grinders, more coffee contraptions and all sorts. I think we're currently up to around 15 or 16 coffee makers. So, I hope you like the little video tour. As you can see, to complete things, we've got plenty of scales, cups, brand new coffee, including this incredible one from Llanvaches, and my further backdrops on my product photography table. And that is the brand new studio in the making of COFFEEwithGPA.com.